Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel and today I'm gonna Photoshop 4 famous YouTubers. So please watch this video till the end.
Let me play, watch me die, got golden teeth.
So first let's start with Mr.Beast and his logo. I found this guy on the web and this guy is perfect for making Mr.Beast into a meme. So this guy will add Mr.Beast a good suit. So let's start by this.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. It's so cold break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down, I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold.
So as you can see, I finally made Mr.Beast real. So let's start with another. So before I start another one, so I just beg you to please make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel if you have not still subscribed. So guys, let's start with Pokimane. So Pokimane sounds like Pokemon, so I'm trying to turn Pokimane plus Pokemon because her logo is on her face, so I can't do it like Mr.Beast. So let's try Pokimane.
A few moments later.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you.
So YouTubers Pokimane plus Pokemon is finally ready, and now we are gonna start with PewDiePie. So I have nothing much to do with PewDiePie. The thing only I can do is the face which is using one logo. I can change this wall and do it, drag it into here. So I'm not using music in this video. Sorry for that, PewDiePie, if you're watching this video. And now it's time for Dani, because Dani is one of my most favorite game creators and streamers in Twitch. So let's do it.
2,000 years later.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So finally Dani is made. So YouTubers, please subscribe, like, share. I aim this video 100 likes, and share it till it should reach to the people which have added. Like, I want Pokimane, PewDiePie, Dani, Mr.Beast to see this video, and please subscribe my channel. It's very important. If you wish, then you can even donate me, and please comment my video. It's very important. Comment me your Instagram username or someone else Instagram username which you want to make the next edit. So just comment down below, and please share this video with your friends. Don't forget. Thank you.